Hello friends, how are you? My name is Dana. If you are new here, and welcome, and if you're coming back, well, thank you. I missed you. So I'm trying to get more consistent. I'm trying to upload more. So you probably noticed that. I also have some more extra time on my hands. I'm down to 4-hour shifts. But everything is good over here. I hope it's good with you guys. How are you? So right now I just got out of work. I literally just walked up the stairs and my kids are sleeping. Not really sure why, but I'm using this opportunity to do my August budget. So for August, I went ahead and I got paid $1,011.93. So this is going to be a zero-based budget, just like usual, and this is for the next 2 weeks that's coming up. This one right here, I did get paid on the 29th. So this is going to be everything that I got for August. Alright guys, so let's see where I can start. Hopefully I won't shake this too much. I'm trying to like get a permanent setup going on, but not going to be permanent till I get that awesome desk. Walmart has one for like 60 bucks, so I'm hoping to get that one soon, since IKEA never has anything, but that is besides the point. The point is that we are here to budget, not to get off topic, right? Exactly. So I'm going to go ahead, and for my rent, it is $480. That's how much my rent is. My parking is $25. My Amazon is coming out on the 6th of the month, so I got to pay that ASAP. That is going to be $7, and then I do have a bank fee, which is $7. Now this is everything that I pay first, the most important things. Then over here is what I pay second. Some say like fixed expenses, some say variables. I say important, but not as important as that. And then I focus on this stuff. So for my little kitties, Elias and Ellie, they are going to be getting $15. They get $15 every 2 weeks, and that gets them a bag of food, which is usually like $8, $7, somewhere around there. Sometimes they get it on sale. I love Target and their red card because 5% off, I believe it is. So that's basically the tax. And then cat litter is usually about $7. So for gas, because it went up, it is going to be $40, which is $20 every week. And again, this is bi-weekly, so every week. For my house, I am going to go ahead and give myself $10. And this one right here, house, can include beauty stuff. So if you need, like, I was going to say mascara, but I don't wear makeup. I'm very lazy. I buy like tampons, pads, toilet paper, paper towels. If I need vitamins, it will come out of this. Sometimes it comes out of my meds, but usually it comes out of this. Just paper plates, simple things like that. One of my biggest important, I kind of want to move this over there, but for right now it's going to be right here. Let me bring you down a little. Would you like to actually see what I'm talking about? There we go. So for my sinking funds, these are my dollar sinking funds. I always give myself $20. So instead of having a dollar savings challenge, I have a dollar sinking funds. And what this is that since I do sinking funds and I do cash envelopes, I go ahead and I shove $1 in everything that I'm unable to fund with. Sorry, my lady bits is moving it because I'm in a very awkward position. So there we go. But I just came up with this to basically help me save a little bit more. I'm like obsessed with saving right now, so however I can save is how I'm going to do it. So I take $20 every 2 weeks because that is when I get paid, and I put these on all the envelopes that I'm unable to include in my sinking fund so that I don't have any empty envelopes, and I have at least $1 going into every envelope. $1 does add up, and it does go a long way, to be honest with you. And right now I think I'm on like week 4. If I have rollover, because I was able to put more money towards sinking funds, I usually don't get paid this much, but this is overtime right here. Like I said, they dropped our hours down to 24 hours a week, sometimes 23, picking up shifts at other stores and doing whatever I can, so that's why this is more. But when I have extra money from this right here, I just put it into a little pouch, and then I guess that could be my dollar savings challenge. But it's just whatever I have left over, I put in that pouch. I do not touch, and at the end of the year I'm going to go ahead and count the money that I have left over, and I am going to be using that money to put toward either moving expenses or a new house. I'm trying to buy a house right now. I'm trying to get out of the area that I'm in, so even if I have to rent another year, I just want to move out of this house. So for my vacation, and I am just hitting this like crazy, my vacation is going to be getting $100 because I need to make that work. I need my vacation. And then I have, for food, I am going to be giving myself $60. And I never really take my kids out to eat. We don't do anything, you know, because we live on an extremely tight budget. But right after I spent all that money stocking up my my shelves and stuff, they decided to, I don't know if they're doing it in every single state, but Rhode Island, where I live, I know that they did it in Colorado, and I believe they did it in Florida too. They actually are giving out pandemic food stamps, so anybody who was lower income and they were in school, so if you have school age children who got free or reduced lunches, or even if your school qualified for it, they actually, at least in Rhode Island, was sending out pandemic EBT cards, and it had some money in it, so they just gave me like $200. So I'm gonna save this money to take my kids somewhere. Alrighty, we're gonna move that up, and we're gonna go into my sinking funds. Actually, you know what? Let's go ahead and calculate this. So, and I want to just say to all my new subscribers, like, thank you so much. I'm like very honored and flattered that you guys are subscribing. This was just me and my friend Jen doing this stuff. I would film this stuff for her. Basically, she was the only one that was watching. So I'm very grateful that you guys are watching me and that you're subscribing. And go ahead, like, subscribe some more. If you're new here, definitely subscribe, hit that like button. And I am gonna be adding up all this money. Let's see. Okay guys, so I have 200. Oh my goodness, I don't know what to do because the way that this is, I keep hitting it. So I have $247 remaining. Let me see. I'm just gonna put that over here, I guess. $247. Alright guys, so for my kids' clothing, let's see, they are gonna get $10 each kid. I'm writing really messy. For my son's allowance, he is going to be getting $5. My daughter is going to be getting $5 for her allowance. For my emergency fund, I'm going to put $10 toward this. For my laptop fund, put $20. Let's see, for my car, it's $50. It should be in the shop next week. They're actually on vacation, so once they come back from vacation, they're going to be fixing my car. For Disney, this is going to be $25. Family is going to be getting gotta figure out what to do to like not move this. My family is gonna be getting 55. Back to school is gonna be getting $5. Oh, my kitty's crying. Spending is getting 7. My credit card, I actually use my credit card, guys. I'm gonna put $10 toward that. For the passports, which I need to get on this because I'm running out of time, but this is gonna get $20. For hair, which is just haircuts for my kids when they go back to school, I'm putting $5 into that. For me, I'm actually getting $5, which is very rare. And I am going to be giving some love to Christmas, which is going to be getting $5. Alright, so let's add all of this up, or subtract it, I should say. So 10. Okay, and that equals 0. Woohoo! Right? Look at that. I did it. I did it. I did it. Yeah. Dora would be proud of me. So, guys, this is going to be my zero-based sinking fund. Now, I know that it says 93 cents, but that's my buffer. I guess I just keep that in the bank. My bank is actually in another state. I can't really get to it, so it wouldn't make a difference anyway. But this is what my budget for August is going to look like. Now, I am trying to save because I'm thinking that I'm going to start putting more into my emergency fund, because once they cut my hours, I'm not really sure how I'm going to be paying some of the bills next month. So I don't know if I should put it in here, or I've seen other channels where they have like a 3 to 6 month like savings plan where they calculated everything that they would need for the next 3 months, and they start saving toward that just in case anything happens, which is amazing, and that's genius. And I feel like I need to do something like that, but is it realistic? I'm not sure. So yeah. I gotta figure something out. I think I'm gonna be adding another envelope soon. I already have so many envelopes, guys. It's getting out there. It's getting ridiculous. So I gotta figure that out. I might just put it with debt. I'm not sure. Like, what would you guys do? Would you put like a savings toward next month's, you know, rent and parking and stuff? Would you put that in a debt envelope, and then if you need it, use it? If not, then it goes to debt? Or would you put it in its own category, so that way you know, like, hey, these are for bills and this one over here is for debt? So like, one is bills, one is debt, and you know, like, if you don't use it all, it's still there, but they're separate. Like, I don't know if this makes sense, but I guess I'm just asking you what you guys would do, because like I said, I'm down to 23 hours, and there are a lot of people going on vacation right now, which is kind of saving me because I get to pick up a shift here and there, which is bringing me to like 36 hours. Full time with my job is 30 hours. So I'm still like kind of where I am. I did get a $1 raise, which you can tell in this paycheck that, you know, it definitely is helping me to get that raise. But I don't know. I'm getting nervous because first I have September, which my check should like start being affected by the cut, and then I have October where I'm going to be gone for 10 days, and I don't have any more PTO or any more pay time off or leave or vacation time, anything like that. So I'm gonna have to start saving for that as well. So any suggestions that you guys have, just let me know, and I'm gonna try to take them all into consideration. I do see all of your comments, and I do appreciate all of the feedback that you give me, including with the creepy music and just all that stuff. because this is a learning experience for me, and I'm holding myself accountable because, you know, one, I need to learn, and two, I need to be accountable because I'm lazy and I won't do it. So I appreciate you guys and all you new subs. Like, thank you so much. I really do appreciate you guys, and I hope that you have a really good day. I'm gonna go ahead and just show you one more time what my budget is looking like. I'm just gonna bring the paper up and let it scroll. Look at that. It's like a scroll. It's Star Wars. And it goes to my pretty pad. Isn't that pretty? Alright guys, so I rambled on enough. But I will definitely see you and talk to you guys later. I hope that you have a really, really good day. Alright, be safe, be well, get your budget on, okay? I'll see you later. Bye.